babe. Isn't it beautiful?
Whatever.
If you were gonna act like this, we could have stayed home.
Now I tried, but you wanted to come out here.
Because I just wanted to spend quality time with you.
Oh, damn. Hey, you see the way she was looking at me?
I don't care how she was looking at you.
Yeah. I don't have any girl, man. Man, why you like that?
Because you're getting me really mad. Why are you checking out other girls? You're with me.
Because I want some of this right here. Yo, wait, hold on. You love me, right?
Hey, of course I love you.
Yeah, you love me. That's the way it should be. Oh, loser, man.
Babe, this isn't funny.
Oh my god. Oh, look at that.
Gosh.
Oh my god, that's awesome. Oh, this is awesome.
This isn't funny.
Oh my god. Stop it. Why? Hey guys, alright, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to Jasmine Hubbard from J Sky and Chris O'Hara from Mr. Dat Chick. Alright, until next time. See ya. I said guy. You said you loved me. Come on! I have a lot of money. Come on!